Eletro na ifa no kwa ukiberu ayire ero.
We say ya jagoro ro na dere. Clear the road no there. I go get clear the road. E what clear the road even be peace.
Clear the road. Clear the road. Clear the road.
E ki pe me bi o se ko mu. Come on for na ko oda sakose. E pe ri e mu omo. O tu ki be mo se unu re.
Good afternoon, ma. I am happy to see you. God bless you. Thank you.
Wari ani ko padi na. Ba no we wari ko padi no so ba le mu wari a. Asewo ti gbolo wa. Nebo. We go back to worry. E go to 25 kg of salt.
Clear the road. Clear the road. Clear the road.
E go to 25 kg of salt. We go back mo.
Shonari me bi ti bi me ho nye ni a.
Well. Wayeki oyi me oni me gbin wayeki. Friday la gbin wayeki. Me yo me dota me nu eri go ma.
Acha. Where do you ask me ka? Other way by penalty na dem working that kind of party.
Monday, give me this opportunity. Oh God, give me this opportunity. I will tell you that this opportunity is very important for me. Now.
In a lolly, Franti in also. Franca Oligbe Charles Odianafe Iyomo Elizabeth Irmoseli Kenny Arebun. Clear the road. Clear the road.
Oya la kí ẹni ọmọ ẹ̀jẹ̀ kiri ẹ̀ Osas Otis nọ̀rẹ́ nọ̀bà 98 Bini Ausi road